Get it? Kill it? It's a squeaky toy. I gotta do the squeaky toy. He's gnawing hard. He's making the hole right now. Just you wait. Stuffing will be flying everywhere. Did you get it? Did you get it? Here it comes. Here it comes. There he goes. And he is de-stuffing. Where's the squeaker? I gotta find it. I gotta find the squeaker. Oh, goodness. And now we really have the hole. Oh, look at that. Oh, it's just beautiful. Oh, such a vicious dog. Look at those balls. Where's the squeaker? Gotta find the squeaker. Nope, nope, not in that. Oh. I'm glad I only paid $1 for that. Oh yeah, you're getting there. You're getting there. Where's it at? Oh, where's that? Oh, you found it. Oh, no, don't eat the squeaker. You gotta give me the squeaker. Give me the... Drop. Where's the squeaker? Where is it? You did not eat that squeaker. Oh. Whew. Can't have it. You can't have it. You can't have it. No, you can't have it. You can't have it. It's bad for you. Watch the sad puppy. Watch the sad puppy. Say bye-bye. It's going in the garbage. Oh man. I worked so hard for that. It's in the garbage. Yeah, you just go to sleep, lady. I'll get it. I'll get it back. Me. Go get your ball. Where's the ball? It's there. Might as well destroy the rest of it. Maybe there's another squeaky in there. The determination. Is it empty? Is it empty? All done? I think it's all done.